Hey, my gators, before I head out, I'm going to straighten up my living room. So you're just going to watch me straighten it up. Hope you guys are having an amazing, awesome day. And you are only letting things that you can control you. So, yeah, this is the living room. And I literally love my space. I've made it everything I want it to be. And it's still, being revamped day to day. I'm the type of person that needs to live in it, be with it, feel it, and see how it functions for me. I am not a trendy person. I am not a person that I'm very eccentric. I'm very eclectic, and I kind of like a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Some old, some new. Most of the things that I've had them for several years, and I want to say in my home about 70% of my items are thrifted or secondhand items. I don't like getting quantity. I like to get quality items, and I will get a secondhand piece that will last forever before I buy something new. The furniture is just not the same. Talk to me in the comments if you feel that the furniture, you're paying more and getting less quality, and you will rather go thrift something and get you an awesome piece of solid wood furniture that you know that you can keep for years to come and eventually even pass it down if you take care of it. So yeah, I'm just vacuuming. This vacuum cleaner is over 6 years old. When they weren't really doing too much with the cordless and people weren't wanting to trust in the cordless, I tried the Tanico vacuum. It was a gift to me from my aunt, and I love it. Anytime I clean, I like to cut on my oil burners and let the house smell good. I open the windows as well. And I have to also end off my cleaning with burning a candle. If you did not know, I have a full-blown channel. It is How to DIY and Save a Dime on YouTube. Later, Gators, talk to me in the comments. I talk back.